first thing that we have to do is connect the DJI mic with the iPhones or with the GoPro. The GoPro is here, is a GoPro 13 Black special edition, and we will use this also for flying. So we will put this backwards on the on the aircraft, and it will record much better, of course. So now I'm going to connect the mic. So I don't know if you can hear me now, but we will take off a little noise reduction, and you can do that by pressing this. Actually, I don't know. I don't know which one. I think it's the green one. Anyway, I will put this on. It's a really nice thing. Long live DJI for their products. Now we will use the DJI Neo 2 for unpacking the other drone. Let's see what's inside. There's a box inside the box. Here we have this, so I have to pull it out over my arm, this, and put the box back in the box, and the other box. It's starting to sound like a boxing game. We have this nice bag, and we will open it. Let's see if we have another box inside. No. This is how it looks like. So we take out this one. So we put this on. So let's go ahead, open this. Look at this. It's brand new. Wow. It's really a lot of weight here. So there it is, and it shows like 700. Now I want to know how much when I use the stuff I will include tomorrow. So we go to this and this, and it comes up to almost a kilo. Anyway, up here is we have an airport very, very close, and often they go down like to 1,500, 2,000 meters. And this sucker raised up to 3,000. So I might say, hello, how are you?